So in order to know if an object is elastic or not elastic, we use the quantity called elastic moduli. So elastic moduli is just the ratio of the stress applied to an object over the strain of the object. So the stress is just the force applied over the area, and the strain is the fractional length change on the object, delta L over L naught, or sometimes fractional volume change of the object. So in the purpose of having an insight on these two quantities, consider two metal rods. One is say aluminum, and the other is a steel bar. So these two metal rods we will apply a force on the opposite directions for these two metal bars. And then after applying the force, we have seen that the aluminum stretched by this amount, while the steel only stretched by this amount. So now we ask which metal bar is more elastic. So for the given amount of force, same amount of force, this will have a greater fractional change in length. So this will be LF minus L naught over L naught. So this term will be greater for the aluminum, whereas in the steel, this term will be smaller. So when we have a smaller denominator term, this elastic moduli will be larger. So as such, we know that this steel bar will have a larger elastic moduli compared to the aluminum. So aluminum has a lower elastic moduli. So in other words, elastic moduli is how the resist the change or deformation caused by the force. So when you have a larger elastic moduli, the object wouldn't change that much of its shape. When you have a low elastic moduli, on the other hand, the object will change by a large amount on its shape.